So if we think about, for example, military or aviation or medical or dental, simulation is very widely accepted as a means of gaining skill. Injecting game-based mechanics into a simulation is therefore not much, it's not a big lift, right? Because you're just thinking ever so slightly differently about your design. But the idea of making a simulation and then having it adopted by the workforce or the students or whatever it is that whole thing is already there. In heavily regulated spaces, we of course have the pushback of, well, safety, for example, is a heavily regulated thing in some industries. It should be in all industries, of course, but in some of the industries, it's the impact is greater. And you have this pushback where, well, safety is not a game, so we're not going to put any gamification into safety training, which is a little bit of a miss, right? Because you have the option for people to, if you think about immersive learning, you have the option for people to learn in a safe environment, to test things out, to get things wrong. And you also have the opportunity to increase cognitive, behavioral, and motivational outcomes by using game-based mechanics. So because you have both of those things, why would you not want to get the maximum efficacy from your learning experience? And on the flip side, no, we don't want to use games because safety isn't a game, is one example of things that people say. But it's one of those things where we think, back to what I said about skills and knowledge, if you don't know enough about the thing you're trying to do, then it's going to be prohibitive. So I would say we need to think slightly differently about the regulated space. But industries that are well known for simulation and adopt that well probably have the easiest lift.